Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsan Hima.
Ke Indian National Trust for Arts and Cultural Heritage Intach Hennegasngi Club Pynlong ya ke Jingai Jinghikai ban Thaw ya ki Heritage Club high school baper ka jella hagabak hat artli ki school kilawan baneshem benta Habayakren bat ka Parnima dat kabadai ka Principal Director jang ke Intach kalethu bahaki ni ki arsngi nakaliang ke Intach kan ai Jinghikai ya kinong hikai kumno ban hikai ya ki khenna ban penne pensa ya ki jaka ki ying ki sem ki barem bat ki wei hagabaya ka ni ka Jingai Jinghikai on penkot hakasngi tho ding Kadot kalaya thu ru ba ke Intach kadon kumbas 1000 sanspa teli ki Heritage Club habaro ka wei kari
Convener beningkong ide Iba E.H. Scott Pynlong, former Finance and Law Minister of the State jang ni di haga jinok jang kamet jang iti nya sim timanga as convener Hima ilong patron jang ka Intach magla chapter isdam ni arhajar khat di last dang hiki mentang sim full time charge mentang na 2018 di kabdi ka kam ka basuk ban sedang ke ka batmai na mar ki briefing pada sentuh ha ang maski ni layo ka jingyara ka sarkar ka support by the Intach and the programs with the last time say so di kani ka bansalang ki Heritage Club saki na rajang ke di ban sutu ki bakin Jingkai ke bakidan bakin semestarong ke bakidan and ni ki trying nimnang ban sumar di kansasulan bakidan di ka heritage kalong ke bangi kibun jadi heritage dan tangible ke intangible kalong ki lu ki wa ki kshay ki kram kubon ki intangible pada kerupam imjani ka pam ka riam ka shay ki tradition kuno kerupam ki pher ni hab ban gurom ki namar bangi di basutu kowe ha and basutu ki kelum jani lupa ke berkelalan untuk mesyuar perasa hadap mentada ni sekedon ke haka kunkia rukom penkia akrat jomni ke smart slam kelane menta di ban burung itu di ban fact it would be kam merah dan dilawan have a proper analogy of how things are done this kadang-kadang ke baro boleh kilem tu ki kasih ndai ban shoot should try be in kadang-kadang dengan ndai ki kam ki dustur kitu ki di banyarap ini ban protect ni ban em ha kan ni ka jaka jeni ni na kemen shibun bangayo kan ni kalat ba kini ki school ni la approach kumba south home tampili ki school the response lang yo ani 12 kina pa kino hikai in these 12 schools sedang ki heritage clubs and kini yo di jong passport can and players so much talk now about living road bridges but kanung ki local children kilaban yo ki pa ban ya lam ki jaka reda ka school ko organize ni ai ki funding ki they can take the kids so the ki khna ki smo try gitu and kin nang ban protect ban sa ne and kampang nilai kamariang sabi ni so much degradation affecting our caves, our rivers. So if we have to come back to we have not inherited, we borrowed it from our children, isn't it? We are like our students, we have to protect, isn't it? And we don't have a planet B, we have this planet, so we should make and maintain Meghalaya as beautiful as it should be.
We are here today and tomorrow to do a 2-day teacher training workshop on heritage education with the teachers of Shillong. Intach runs a network of close to 4,500 heritage clubs because we believe it is very important for children to take a sense of responsibility towards their own local heritage. And the ones who will carry this forward, this training forward to the children would be the teachers. So the teachers who are attending this 2-day workshop, we will explain to them about Shillong's heritage, Meghalaya's heritage, the country's heritage, what is the importance of heritage education, what are the methods in which they can carry it forward with the children, what are the interesting creative methods in which this can be done with the children, and how do they set up heritage clubs. We have been doing this program from the year 2003, and we have a lot of support from the government of India, and they have said to do it in every way, even if it is doing in the local language. So I shared with our convener, Madeline Tham, that we'll also be very happy to translate our children's book into the Khasi language. So we will start this process. So we will get children, like the Living Root Bridges may soon be recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and we have covered this in our publication besides the other heritage of Meghalaya, and this would be a very good learning point for young children, for primary school children. So in every way, Intach, which is the Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage, we endeavor to make heritage learning, a part of children's lives in every way we can. And we thank the support of Madeline Tham and her team, Risa, and the others here who have supported us in conducting this 2-day workshop. Initially, they approached 30-40 schools, and 12 schools have currently started, but it is a very good starting point. And we presume that the number of schools we will be able to increase in the future. We also, it was coming in my mind, we also do a project where we do filmmaking with children. We have a project where children have made more than 4,000 or 5,000 films, which has also got international recognition. And we'll be very glad if some of these schools and their children take it forward by filming the very unique heritage of Meghalaya. Meghalaya actually is very, very unique, and if we could get some short films made by children, and if we can put it up on our website, then not only these children but even children across the country will learn about Meghalaya's heritage. Whether it's the bridges, whether it is the languages, the customs, the dance forms, the limestone caves. These are all things which across the country everyone should know. And it is has the cleanest village, Meghalaya. Meghalaya also has the cleanest river, and this is something which we all need to learn, because we have to keep our country clean and green in the future, and we need to inspire each other in all what we are doing. And in many ways, Meghalaya is an inspiration for all of us. Yeah.